Atomic architecture. So atoms are the fundamental building blocks of chemistry. An atom has an internal structure, and the internal structure of an atom of a particular chemical element differ from that of the atoms of other element. So one element is different to that of other elements, and these difference in structure are what makes the chemistry of one element different from other elements. Okay, these are the atomic architecture. Okay, now see the difference between the atom and molecules. So atom is the smallest particle, molecule is the group of two or more atoms combined together. Atom consists of a nucleus containing proton and neutrons. Molecule consists of a combinations of two or more like or different atoms. Atom can neither be seen through naked eye or through magnifying microscope. Molecule is also not visible to our naked eye. Atoms cannot be further divided. We cannot divide atom, but molecule can further be divided to give individual atoms. Okay, so these are the difference. Fact zone, some important compounds and their formula written here. So hydrogen gas formula H2, oxygen gas formula O2, nitrogen gas N2. So you have to remember this compounds formula. Next, chemical formula. What is chemical formula? The chemical symbols of an element represent one atom of the element. Similarly, the chemical formula of element represent one molecule of the element or compound. For example, the chemical symbol for the element oxygen is O, which represent one atom of oxygen. That is, if we denote O, then it is called one atom of oxygen. I am writing here, look here, if I am writing O, that is called, this is one atom of oxygen, one atom of oxygen. Similarly, if I am writing O2, O2 means two atoms of oxygen, and it forms a molecule, that is two atoms of oxygen. Okay, so the chemical form of oxygen gas is O2, and its molecule is made up of two atoms of oxygen. In the representation of chemical formula, we have to take into consideration the number of atoms present in a molecule. So the number of atoms present in a single molecule, which is called atomicity. If a element which exists a single atom, that is called monoatomic. Inert gas and metals are monoatomic. Monoatomic means they are consist of only one single atom, that is called monoatomic. Okay, similarly diatomic. Diatomic means molecules of element with two atoms. Okay, that is O2, oxygens, hydrogens, that is they are diatomic. But monoatomic, what are monoatomic? Only single. Sodium, potassium, copper, iron, they are monoatomic because they consist of only one atom, that is monoatomic elements. These are diatomic, one oxygen and other oxygen, two oxygen atom combined to form oxygen molecule, which is called diatomic. Similarly hydrogen. Okay, other examples written here: chlorine, nitrogen, bromine, iodine also. Next, triatomic, molecules of element containing three atoms, that is called triatomic. Here three oxygen atom combined to form one ozone, that is called O3. Next, last is polyatomic. Polyatomic means more than three, that is called polyatomic. Look here, more than three means four phosphorus atom combining together to form P4, which is a molecule. Okay, so this is polyatomic molecules. Other example, sulfur, S8, atomicity is 8. So what is atomicity? The element, the number of atom present in a single molecule of an element is known as atomicity. If there are two atoms present, the atomicity is 2. If there are three atoms present, the atomicity is 3. If there are four atoms present, the atomicity of 4. So the number of atom present in a single molecule of an element is known as atomicity. Okay, you have to remember this. Next, similarly, chemical formula of compound written here. The symbolic representation of a molecule of compound is called chemical formula. Chemical formula means the symbolic representation. A molecule of sodium chloride is formed by one atom of sodium and one atom of chlorine. So the formula is NaCl, sodium chloride. Similarly, the molecular formula of water is H2O. Why? Because 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. It will produce H2O, that is, which is a compound. Similarly, look here, CO2, carbon dioxide, 1 atom of carbon and 2 atom of oxygen combine together to form one carbon dioxide compounds. Okay, one molecule of carbon dioxide compound. Okay. These are the chemical formula written here. Look at zinc chloride, that is ZnCl2, that is 1 zinc atom and 2 chlorine atom. Nitrogen dioxide, that is NO2, 1 nitrogen atom and 2 oxygen atom. Calcium oxide, that is calcium, 1 atom of calcium and 1 atom of oxygen. Ammonia, 1 atom of nitrogen and 3 atom of hydrogen. Nitric acid, that is HNO3, 1 atom of hydrogen, 1 atom of nitrogen and 3 atom of oxygen. Similarly, iron sulfide, 1 atom of iron Fe and 1 atom of sulfur, that is FeS. If you write FeS, that is called iron sulfide. Similarly, aluminum chloride, aluminum Al and chloride means Cl3, so 1 atom of aluminum and 3 atom of chlorine. Similarly, calcium carbonate, 1 atom of calcium and 1 atom of carbon and 3 atom of oxygen. So you have to remember this. Okay.